In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to your Whop community. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account. Once you're in, head to your main Whop home dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your community, products, and settings. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all the menu options appear correctly on the screen. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a vertical menu. This is where Whop keeps most of the navigation for your business. Look down that column until you find the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This expands additional settings and management tools that aren't shown by default, including your team management area. When the expanded menu appears, look for the option called Team. This is where you control who has access to manage your community and what each person is allowed to do. Click on Team to open your team management page. Here you'll see any existing team members and their roles, if you already have some people added. On the team page, look for a button that says Invite Team Member. This is usually located near the top right area of the screen. Click on Invite Team Member. This will open up a window or panel where you can set up the details of the new admin or staff member you want to add. Next, you'll need to choose the role for this person. Whop may show you some predefined roles like admin or moderator, depending on how your workspace is set up. Click on the role that best matches what you want this person to do. If you need something more specific, you can click on New Custom Role to create a role with tailored permissions. This is useful if you only want them to access certain parts of your dashboard, like support or billing, instead of everything. Once the role is selected, move down to the field at the bottom where you can add their email address. Click into that field and carefully type in the email of the person you're inviting. Double check for typos here, because the invite will be sent directly to this address. When everything looks correct and you're ready to send the invitation, click on the invite button. Whop will send an email to that address with instructions for joining your team and accepting their role. After they accept, they'll appear in your